Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I'm out here this morning at the new lake because I ain't catching shit at my lake. So I'm out here to throw around a plastic craw. Let's see what I can do. Here's what I'm going to toss around. Missile bait Crawfather in El Diablo. There we go. We got a small plastic craw here. Good color for this time of year. Let's get it Texas rigged. See if I can get a bite. That's it right there. I'm going to start at the boat launch before anyone else gets over here. Got a guy fishing over there. Had a guy fishing over there. A lot of people here for 6:50 in the morning. Fishing that new Ultramax on the Vengeance rod. $40 combo at Dick's. We're just going to drag and hop this off the bottom and hope there's a fish around. The fishing has been horrible at my local lake. I haven't caught a fish over a pound in like 2 or 3 weeks. I'll be happy with anything though. It looks dead. I don't see any shad. I don't see any fish. I don't see anything happening out here. Oh, one tiny shad right there. So I'm just fan casting the boat launch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I can't get one over here, maybe I'll try over there in that shallow cove. I think I heard the guys talking in the parking lot. The guy said he had a few bites, but I only caught one small bass. Fish. There we go, first bass of the day. Not very big. Nice bass though. Broken crankbait laying in the grass. Let's put this up here so kids don't step on the hooks. Alright, back to my fish. Here he is. Just a little guy. Got him on that missile Crawfather El Diablo. Check my camera. Yeah, there we go. Just a little guy. Maybe a ½ pound. Let's let him go. Hey man. Acrobatic. Alright, well, I know they'll hit the Crawfather. Let's keep going. Alright, that's what I got him on right here. Good looking little bait. Let's keep trying. Snagged on something. We're going out on this dock to try and unsnag it. Maybe pull on it from a different angle. I don't want to lose this lure already. That would suck. I know it's just hung up on like a little rock somewhere. There we go, got it back. Let's check this line though. Hey, not bad. That's how it goes. You're on candid camera. Alright, well, I guess I'll go back this way since this guy cut me off. Don't you just love that? You catch one fish, then they come over and fish 20 feet away from you. Oh, damn it. I felt a little bite down there. Oh, there's a few old tires in the water. Fish. Oh, he came off right down there. You seen him though. It's a little largemouth, about the same size as the other one. Alright, got a lot of boats and coming through here, so let's go somewhere else. Hopefully I can find something down here. New park for me. Let's give it a shot. Looks like more shallow rocks. Well, it's been a pretty slow morning overall. This new spot was a bust. I did manage to get one small one over at that other spot, and I had one come off right at the bank. That's fishing. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.